Need to remove the background of a photo on your computer? Here's how to do it quickly using Canva on PC. No Photoshop needed. Start by opening canva.com in your browser and log into your account. Click Create a Design and choose any size, like Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, or custom dimensions. Now upload your image using the Uploads tab on the left. Once it's uploaded, drag the image onto your canvas. Click on the image to select it. Then, at the top, click on Edit Image. From the panel that opens on the left, click Background Remover. Give it a few seconds. Canva will automatically erase the background for you. And that's it. You now have a clean, transparent version of your image ready to use in any design. Keep in mind, the Background Remover tool is a Canva Pro feature, so you'll need Pro to access it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Canva tips right here on the channel.